Hello, Tito Pat. I hope you have fun as you celebrate this magnificent day. To me, you are one of the greatest women I have met. Your moral support, enthusiasm, wisdom, and hard working are worth to emulate, Tito Pat. We are so happy to reach your dream, and we are a part of that great dream. Happy birthday, Tito Pat. Love you.
So happy birthday, Tita Pat. Nothing speaks louder
Yes.
or effectively than a well-lived life of integrity. We're so grateful for impacting our lives with your integrity, Tita Pat. And you'll always be number one in our hearts.
Yes.
Thank you for your love and forgiveness. Thank you for your guides. We look up to you, Tita Pat, because you are a person worth looking up to. So we are very grateful to be a part of IFL family.
Yes.
And you as our mentor and our spiritual mother. So we are grateful for your birthday, Tita Pat. We're so happy in behalf of St. Paul FLC, Nasugbu and Balayan. So we are one, greeting you. Happy birthday, Tita Pat.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Tita Pat. Love
God bless
you.
more.